I know you guys probably have heard this story before. It happened in 2016. I was just curious what you guys think. Should they have shot this gorilla or not? On May the 28th, 2016, a 3-year-old boy visiting the Cincinnati Zoo fell into the moat of the Gorilla World habitat. Harambe then carried the boy up a ladder out of the moat onto dry land. Afraid for the boy's life, zoo officials made a decision to kill the gorilla, doing so with a single rifle shot. And I was just curious because if you look at this gorilla, looks to me like he was protecting this child. In nature, if anybody watched a animal channel, a nature channel, you notice this is an instinct of gorillas when they are trying to protect. You see he's using his body to shield that child because all of the yelling and screaming. And I think he was getting nervous and he may have thought they was trying to hurt the kid. So he was protecting the kids. If you look back in 1986, where this little boy had fell into this habitat, you notice that this gorilla was protecting this little kid from these other little gorillas. So it was actually protecting this kid. And then you look at in 1996, another incident where this little child fell into this habitat and the gorilla brought the child up to the door. It's amazing. If this gorilla really wanted to hurt this kid, it would have been over in a heartbeat. It says a gorilla's strength is estimated to be 10 times their body weight. And this gorilla weighs about 400 pounds. It says a fully grown silverback can be actually stronger than 20 adult humans combined. A silverback gorilla can lift 4,000 pounds on a bench press. But how he dragging his kid, it looks really aggressive. But I'm gonna show you something side by side of how the mother gorilla grabbed her baby, and just look at it, and you can see the similarities. Check this out. So parents, if you're taking your kids to the zoo, these animals are wild. So keep an eye on your children. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.